as you guys have seen in previous videos, this is my front porch. I walk out here every day, and it's kind of trashy. So, plan is, this week, redo it.
If you ever got a boot stuck down in your engine, you can pull it out with a coat hanger.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get all this nasty linoleum tile and carpet and board off of here, and I'm going to retile this step. These are the tiles that we got. They are terracotta, so I'm going to be putting those tiles on that front step.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Is this going to be your intro?
No, I already recorded intro.
Oh. And that's why they put that there.
That's why. There's a giant hole right there.
Fine. That's a problem.
That is a problem. Okay, so we've got this green outdoor carpet. Under that's linoleum. Under that is a different outdoor carpet. Under that is another linoleum. Under that is another linoleum. And under that is finally down to subfloor. That's this press board that's just junk. So we get all this off of here, including this subfloor, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do and how much room we need for tile once we get down to the floor joists. Okay, so I got everything all off of there and cleaned out. I added some extra supports because it's going to be tiled, and why not? I cut out the subfloor, and I'm going to have the hardy board hang over this lip here. It's going to come all the way flush to here. So I used the subfloor as a template, and so I'll get the subfloor screwed in and then screw the hardy board down on top of it.
That's perfect.
Probably space them closer to this
Yeah.
than some of these small ones,
I
because
love that.
I want to try to get to the edge.
That looks so good, honey.
That's going to spread them out a little bit.
And then you just have to cut some so you've got...
Yeah, I got to cut all the edge ones.
Yeah,
But
that
they
looks
cut pretty
good.
easy. I was just scoring them with this masonry blade and snapping them, and they.
Perfect.
So if that.
That looks so good. Are you
Hopefully,
gonna... I'm sorry.
hopefully I've got enough blade there to finish tonight.
Are you gonna put some kind of an edge on there? I don't care. I just wondered if you were planning anything.
Yeah, I was planning on putting that piece of trim back on. So I'm gonna cut a bunch of pieces of wood so I can use them for spacers.
I'm just glad to have this tile somewhere in my house.
everything's all laid and mortared in. Next step is to do the grout. I don't know what I'm going to do about this edge. It's going to get covered up by the kick plate that I took off, but I'm thinking that I'll just round it off. So I thought about putting a piece of board here so it was flat and a sharp edge and take the board off, but I think I'll just make it at an angle. We'll see how it goes. Let's mix some grout. First thing you do is wipe down the tile with water. Then put the water into the bucket and you add the grout to it. Then you mix it. Then you let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you stir it again for 2 minutes. Then you can float it. Then you wait 30 minutes. Then you wash it off again. Then you wash it off again. Then you dry it. And then you don't stand on it for 24 hours. Instructions are on the bag. So I need 2 of these and half of that bag. Okay. That's half the bag. I'm gonna clean off this space, vacuum it, and wet it down. That was the tile install. Stick around for the next video because I'm going to be redoing the entire deck.